So before we start to present our topic, let us first begin with a self-reflection wherein we can relate it to ourselves, and to this we will be able to understand the importance of SDG 7 in our daily living.
Imagine how difficult it would be to get up and have not energy to turn on the light. Imagine how difficult it would be to start the day without coffee because the coffee maker has no energy to work. Imagine how difficult it would be to watch movies and series because there is no energy to turn on the television. What would our life be like without energy? And good day everyone. My name is Jubail Clerigo.
And this is Mary Grace Lopez.
And today, we are going to present our topic, which is Sustainable Development Goal 7, entitled Affordable and Clean Energy. So, we did a deep research and we want to share this incredible information that we gathered about SDG 7. Specifically, we want to inform what's the real meaning behind affordable and clean energy. So without further ado, let's move on in our topic, which is revealing the real meaning behind SDG 7. So, according to United Nations, it stated that SDG 7 refers to humans to get access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Access to electricity in Manila's developed nation has started to increase, and renewable energy sources are making significant contributions to electrical industry, and energy efficiency is beginning to advance. The goal of SDG 7 is to lessen the number of greenhouse gases, in addition by guaranteeing that everyone has access to power. It is because it protects humans from diseases such as lung cancer and asthma. Additionally, it supports all fields of business, education, and medicine. Besides that, there are still people out there that don't have access to electricity. Why should we care about this goal? So, ibig sabihin, ito ay nakakaapekto sa lahat, miski lamang sa isa. Bukod dito, tumataas din ang paggamit ng kuryente. Sa makatuwid o sa madaling sabi, walang stable na power supply, kung kaya't countries cannot strengthen their economy or hindi magagawa ng mga bansa na palakasin ang kanilang ekonomiya. Did you know? Until 1850, cooking is done by scrubbing two stones together. It's not that long ago nowadays. We can't imagine our daily lives without electricity, but more than 1.2 billion people live without it, most of them in Africa and Asia. Without electricity, clinics can't work, students can't study, and entrepreneurs can't direct their competitive companies.
So what is meant by clean energy? Clean energy comes from generation systems that do not produce any kind of pollution. It is also a form of energy that has little or no emission. So kapag sinabing clean energy, it is a form of energy that do not use greenhouse gases kagaya na lang ng carbon dioxide na nagiging sanhi para uminit ang ating mundo na nagiging dahilan para magkaroon ng climate change. There are different examples of clean energy. Number 1 is solar energy. In solar energy, we use sunlight to provide electricity. Ang example na lang dito ay yung mga solar panel. Ang number 2 is wind energy. It uses kinetic energy from the wind into electricity. Ang example naman dito ay yung mga windmills. Number 3 is hydroelectric energy. Ang example naman dito ay yung mga dam. Yung tubig na bumabagsak galing sa taas ng dam ay yun yung ginagamit para magkaroon ng electricity. What is the importance of clean energy? Clean energy replaces the dirty energy that will reduce the carbon emissions, which can affect the climate change. Clean energy is important because it allows us to generate energy we need without the greenhouse gas emissions that has negative environmental effect that come with fossil fuels, in turn helping to reduce climate change. Clean energy is important because it allows us to generate energy we need without the greenhouse gas emissions that has negative environmental effect that come with fossil fuels, in turn helping to reduce climate change. There are different targets in sustainable developmental goals. Number 1 is universal access to modern energy. Number 2 is increase global percentage of sustainable energy. Number 3, double the improvement of energy efficiency. Number 4, promote access to research, technology, and investments in clean energy. And last, expand and upgrade energy services for developing countries. So now, let me ask you a question. Are you aware of all the possibilities you have contributing by saving energy?
1. Connect its devices to power. Strips to disconnect all their activity, cover the pots when cooking, and you'll reduce up to 75% of energy. Read the instructions of household appliances to maximize their performance and energetic efficiency. 2. Conduct an energy at home. A little investment will allow you some savings in your bills and mostly a reduction of your consumption. 3. Save energy. Also entrance. Public transport saves 4 times more energy than the car, and the savings you can achieve by walking or going by bike are 100%. 4. In winter, to have an efficient heating system. At home, remove furniture and every objects that block radiators. Revise the boiler and remember that every extra degree means a 7% increase of fire consumption. 5. Inform yourself of renewable energy uses. Share your knowledge and support sustainable energy projects for schools and houses. Use your energy, use your power.